Hi everyone. Welcome to Level Up Dividends channel. The 12 stocks I present today offer a very decent dividend yield. Most of them offer a minimum yield of 3% and some even offer much more. Besides, these stocks have been increasing their dividends aggressively for many years. The icing on the cake, they have an interesting price appreciation potential. For me, I can't ask more. Let's get into it. Stock 1, Public Storage. Dividend yield, 4.23%. Dividend safety, 96. Dividend growth, 10% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 43 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $305, which represents an upside potential of 7%. Stock 2, American Tower. Dividend yield, 3.33%. Dividend safety, 78. Dividend growth, 19% per year in the last 10 years. Dividend growth streak, 11 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $232, which represents an upside potential of 14%. Stock 3, Medtronic. Dividend yield, 3.25%. Dividend safety, 99. Dividend growth, 13% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 46 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $93, which represents an upside potential of 19%. Stock 4, McCormick & Company. Dividend yield, 2.48%. Dividend safety, 80. Dividend growth, 10% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 38 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $68, which represents an upside potential of 0.5%. It's not a lot, I agree. You can wait for a better entry point if you would like to. If you look at the price chart, you'll see that the next support is around the $60 area. You can grab some shares at this price. Stock 5, Archer Daniels Midland. Dividend yield, 3.63%. Dividend safety, 80. Dividend growth, 11% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 92 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $63, which represents an upside potential of 14%. Stock 6, NextEra Energy. Dividend yield, 3.67%. Dividend safety, 90. Dividend growth, 10% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 28 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $69, which represents an upside potential of 23%. Stock 7, FedEx. Dividend yield, 2.02%. Dividend safety, 64. Dividend growth, 17% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 22 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $296, which represents an upside potential of 18%. Stock 8, Rollins. Dividend yield, 1.33%. Dividend safety, 83. Dividend growth, 19% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 3 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $48, which represents an upside potential of 6%. Stock 9, Algonquin. Dividend yield, 7.14%. Dividend safety, 30. Dividend growth, 9% per year in the last 5 years. Dividend growth streak, 1 year. According to analysts, the stock could reach $6.80, which represents an upside potential of 12%. Stock 10, TELUS. Dividend yield, 6.33%. Dividend safety, 72. Dividend growth, 12% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 21 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $20, which represents an upside potential of 13%. Stock 11, Toronto Dominion Bank. Dividend yield, 4.95%. Dividend safety, 80. Dividend growth, 10% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 167 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $65, which represents an upside potential of 7%. Stock 12, United Parcel Services. Dividend yield, 4.25%. Dividend safety, 69. Dividend growth, 10% per year in the last 20 years. Dividend growth streak, 24 years. According to analysts, The stock could reach $161, which represents an upside potential of 5%. This is it. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. Don't forget to make your own due diligence before investing. Please push the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel for similar content. I'll see you next time.